Creative finance isn't an option anymore. It's the edge. If you're not using it to buy deals right now, this video will be an absolute game changer for you. My name is Travis Oglesby. I started investing in 2016. Since then, I've flipped well over 400 homes now. I've built a single family portfolio that cash flows over $30,000 a month. I have a simple, repeatable process, and I'm here to show you exactly how we do it. Guys, your most profitable deals are always creative finance. You just might not know it yet if you're not doing this. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create cash flow using creative finance. And I bet that's why you got into real estate to begin with, was for the passive income. So let's assume we have a lead come in through our PPC marketing. We nail it on our script work and we put it under contract to buy the house. And we've bought the home. I'm going to show you guys exactly how the numbers work on a subject to deal. And again, show you the passive income side of this, because that's why I got into real estate. Now, I'm going to be showing you guys this through how to buy homes on subject to. Don't worry about the due on sale clause. Don't worry about all these other things that people tell you it can and cannot be done. We have all of the ways to mitigate any of that happening. Okay. So stay with me on this video. Now that you got rid of that fear that keeps everyone on the sidelines, back to our regular scheduled programming. Let's go to our yellow pad. I'm going to show you guys 6277 Lucky Bridge Road. So I bought this home, which stands for PP, that is purchase price. We took over the seller's mortgage of $97,356. Remember, don't be thinking, I can't do that, or it can't be. Just stick with me, guys. Watch this. I've done hundreds and hundreds of these. All of my friends have done hundreds and hundreds of these. Just hang with us. I promise you guys, it is worth learning how to do this. It's unbelievable what it will do to your life. So, purchase price of this home was $97,356. That is the mortgage that we took over. The interest rate was 4.5%, which makes the monthly principal and interest payment $542. We do not care about tax and insurance since our buyers pay for that. We then sold this home. So the repairs on this home actually were about $20,000 and ARV was around $150,000. ARV stands for after repaired value. Okay. Watch how we sell this. Okay. This is supply and demand, but let's just go through this. So I sold it at $165,000 to a buyer who never thought they could own a home in their life and was ecstatic to buy this home. DP stands for down payment. We got a $20,000 down payment from this buyer. That leaves a mortgage of $145,000. We sold this on a 10.3% interest rate, making a payment $1,305 per month. So, how'd we do? So, whenever we do deals, we plan to get paid three ways. Let's mark this here at the bottom. Down payment, note equity, and cash flow. So the down payment, we pocketed 20 grand. That's a good day. Note equity. So imagine for those of you that work in your 401k, when we do a deal and it's note equity, that's like your 401k just going up that amount. So our note equity on this is $48,000. That is simply the difference in this mortgage and this new mortgage. And our monthly cash flow, which is the difference in this payment and this payment, is $763. So that's how we buy homes subject to. Guys, you have to know how to do this. You must know how to do this. Okay? If you don't, then you need to be reaching out to us and we'll be happy to tell you about how to do it. Or maybe we can just point you guys in the right direction. So absolute game changer for what we've ever been doing in our life. And I bet this hit home for you. I bet this hit home for a lot of you because passive income is what you came in this business for. I don't need you to know how to do subject to. That's our job. My job is to teach you. I just need you to believe that this stuff can happen. Do this exercise. It could absolutely change your world. Guys, if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment. I try to respond to everyone. And guys, if you don't know Jesus or real estate, I suggest you get to know both.